Your problem isn't productivity, it's accumulation. Most task systems slowly become storage units for unfinished decisions. Tasks pile up, priorities blur, the weekly board gets crowded, and eventually, you stop trusting your own system. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a zero-backlog task system, step by step. This plugs directly into your Notion workflow. By the end, you'll know how to prevent task accumulation, how to enforce processing discipline, how to limit active workload, and how to reset your system weekly. Let's fix this properly. First, understand the principle. Backlog doesn't come from volume, it comes from skipped decisions. If tasks sit unprocessed, they multiply. That's why the zero-backlog system has 3 strict rules. Rule 1. Inbox is temporary. Rule 2. Execution is limited. Rule 3. Weekly reset is mandatory. Let's implement them. Is your task list a total mess? Let's fix that right now with a system I call Zero-Backlog. It's designed to clear the chaos and give you back control. First, protect your inbox. Inside your task manager, set one simple rule for your inbox view. No task stays there for more than 24 hours. Every single day, you must process each item. Either schedule it, delegate it, delete it, or move it to a someday list. Nothing lingers. Lingering creates mental drag. To enforce this, add a filter to your inbox. Created date is within the past 1 day. If you see something older, it's a red flag that you skipped processing. Second, you have to limit your active tasks. Create a filter for your main weekly view that only shows tasks that are scheduled or in progress and have a due date within this week. Here, the most important part. Set a personal limit of no more than 10 to 15 active tasks per week. If your board is full, you can't add more work. You have to renegotiate. Most of us don't have time problems. We have overcommitment problems. This constraint will bring you so much clarity. Third, create a someday or parking lot list. This is where all those great, but non-urgent ideas go, but they must be hidden from your main weekly view. They live in a separate, filtered list. This protects your active workspace from noise. You don't have to delete good ideas. You just need to quarantine them until you're ready. Fourth, do a weekly reset ritual. Every Friday or Sunday, open your dashboard and ask 3 questions. What did I complete? What rolled over to next week? And what needs to be removed? Be ruthless. Delete or archive stale tasks. A system only scales when you constantly prune it. Think about the difference. Before zero-backlog, you might have over 50 tasks staring at you, causing constant overwhelm. After, your inbox is cleared daily, your weekly board is capped, and everything feels clean and manageable. The biggest change isn't about speed, it's about trusting your system again. Want to add an advanced layer? Create a formula that flags tasks as stale if they're more than a week overdue. This brings neglected tasks to your attention so you can deal with them. The most common mistakes are using your task list as a memory bank, skipping the weekly reset, and mistaking being busy for being productive. Execution without limits is just noise. So, to recap, protect your inbox, limit your active work, quarantine future ideas, and reset weekly. Try this for a week and see how much lighter you feel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.